right, for 7 plus, this is lesson 4. You had to look at question 1 and then question 3. For question 1, select all the statements that must be true for any scale copy of Q, scale copy Q that of P. So we had to make sure which ones were true. Side links are all whole numbers. We don't know that because we do not know what the side links are that are given. But B, C, D, and F all have to be true. For question number 3, we had to do some labeling. For A, we had to label the corresponding points in figure 2. We labeled those P and R, and then we had to find the distance. The distance was 6. For B, we had to find the corresponding parts to Q and S. We labeled those B and D, and the distance is 3. The scale factor that takes figure 1 to figure 2 is 2. And what is the distance between the corresponding figures on figure 2, or excuse me, the corresponding points on figure 2, and that is 2. Then we also needed to complete section 5.4. Section 5.4, question number 1. You are given the original. You had to figure out what the scale factor was from the original to the copy. It's 1/5 the size. For number 2, you were to draw from the original the copy to be scale factor of 2. For 3, the scale factor had to be 3/2. I'm going to go backwards. Scale factor for the original to the copy in number 4 is 1. Now, I know you had number 5. However, without that figure being drawn on a scale coordinate plane, you cannot determine what those need to be at this point. So we'll look at those later. And then you had question numbers 1, 2, and 3. And you can check your answers for 1, 2, and 3.